Hi, I'm Andy Schroeder, and I have an update on the Distributed Charge project. If you're not familiar, I launched it in 2020 as an effort to transition the energy grid to a new standard that uses the Bitcoin Lightning Network for payments, starting with electric vehicle charging. At that time, I showed an alpha-level implementation of a Tesla Model 3 making micropayments for electrical energy as it charged. Today, I'd like to present Distributed Charge Board A0. It brings all the magic required to make the Tesla Model 3 charging application work to a beta level where the hardware is plug and play and not a bunch of electrical components mangled together. Board A0 also features a number of communication and input and output terminals that can be used for general purpose metering and control of grid interconnects or for use with industrial control systems. Board A0 works with the Raspberry Pi 4, but it's specifically designed to integrate with the Tofu Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4 carrier board. The Tofu is pretty sweet because it can also be powered by 7.5 to 28 volts DC, which provides a lot of integration flexibility. The Tofu also features an M.2 socket so you can cleanly install a fast, low-profile, solid-state disk for storing the Bitcoin blockchain or a cellular radio. In the future, I'm going to be sharing some more general-purpose applications of Board A0, but for now, let's head into the garage and focus on the Tesla Model 3 use case.
Here, we have the car charging and making payments. Taking a look inside the trunk of the car, we have a hardware stack with Board A0, the Tofu, a cellular radio, and a screen that make up the payment module for the car. There's a single connector that connects Board A0 to the car's wiring harness, which powers it and provides communication with the car and the charge port. There's this nice cubby in the left side of the trunk where the hardware can sit discreetly out of the way and securely while you're doing any high acceleration maneuvers. Over on the wall here, we have pretty much the same setup for the Energy Seller's payment module, but without the cellular radio. Again, there's a single connector and wiring harness that connects to Board A0. That connector provides power and communication with a charge controller and the charge port of the car.
Alright, I hope you're all jazzed up about Board A0. The way I look at it, it's the first building block of a Bitcoin Lightning Network enabled energy grid. Please get in touch with me if you're interested in being a beta user of this technology. I'm really looking forward to meeting everyone that installs this beta setup at their property and lets me drive to visit and charge up my car. Stay tuned, I have a special deal coming for the first 5 of you.